Brittany Young, and I'm back again with another adorable Father's Day gifty, another little project that you're gonna love. So this one, I've got a couple different parts, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna start off by using my favorite little boxes. Do you all have these? If you don't have these, this is a staple in your kitchen, in your craft room. You have to have this. It's so simple, you guys. They come just like this, and you fold it all together and make adorable little gift boxes. But, I wanna show you something. See this little circle right here? It allows you to put anything in your box, and people would be able to see what's inside. You could fill it with gift cards, or in this case, we have a yummy recipe I'm gonna share with you, a crunch mix, but I wanna show you how to make this whole. You buy the boxes, and you can do several different things with the boxes, and I wanna show you one of those, okay? Are you ready? So, get your platinum machine, and then you wanna get your journey circles, okay? And you wanna choose a journey circle that is, you actually need two sizes. For the box, you wanna choose one that is maybe like a medium size. You guys see that? And so, I'm gonna open this up, and this is the top of your box. See this part right here? So that you can fold it and you can tuck it inside. So make sure you're there. Make sure you're at this part. And let's fold this one down. Let's put our journey circle right in the middle. Okay. Now we're gonna crank it through. And you don't have to go all the way if you don't want to. Just kind of go until you know that your circle is all the way cut. I'm gonna go a little bit further. I think I was almost there. This is like magic, you guys. Magic, I tell you. Look, you just pop that out. So, you have this adorable pre-made box that is crazy easy to put together. You have the top that's a hole, but we can't just have our yummy snack crunch fall out. So, let me share with you a really cool little trick on filling that hole. Hang on, let's fold this box together. Look how simple that is, you guys. Look. Ah, how cute! Love a million times over. A million times, it's the cutest. All right, let me move, actually no, let me put my box over here, hang on. And now we're gonna take some of this clear view, and I'm gonna use a larger circle die, and I want to cut a larger circle out. Okay. Okay, it's clear, so it's hard for you to see, but look, it just pops right out. Let's go back to our box and open this up, and I'm gonna take our journey glue, and I'm gonna go around the outside of our circle. And this glue dries clear, which we love for projects like this. So we'll put our clear circle right on top, press it down, and then give your circle a few, just probably 30 seconds or so just to dry. So while this dries, I'll flip it over so you can see. All of that you're not gonna see here in just a few minutes. But while this dries, let's work on a card. Now, I wanna be the first to tell you. Let me just tell you before anyone else tells you. I'm not a card maker. I love beautiful handcrafted cards. I love all of the details, but I scrapbooked. That's kind of how I started crafting, with scrapbooking, but I never did make cards. But recently I have found this love for card making. I'm not gonna say that I'm a pro, but I really enjoyed being able to just take odds and ends of pieces and creating beautiful cards. So I wanna share one with you that uses our stamp set Tools roll. Have you all seen this one? Look how cute that is. If you have a Tools dad in your life, this is a cute one. So what we're gonna do, friends, we're gonna just start with black cardstock, our black cardstock, and fold that in half to make our card. And see if you can say this a few times. Lots of dots. Lots of dots. Can you say that 10 times really fast? I love this background set. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna use the oatmeal paper, and I'm gonna run it through our machine. Again, we're using the machine a lot today, but I want you guys to see how simple it is to use. So let me move it back in. I'm sandwiching it here. And then we need our boards. And for this piece right here. Look, I have a few pieces. I have a little piece of tape. Do you guys see that? Can you see it on the video? Yeah, you can see pretty good. And so what we want to do, we want to lay the rectangle down. Here we go. Can you guys see what I'm working with here? And then press your tape down so it doesn't wiggle on you, so it doesn't move around as you kind of feed it through your machine here. Okay. This is such a cool background, and it's one that you can use not just for Father's Day, but for really any card. I don't know about you, but polka dots will never go out of style in my book. I love a good dot. Look at all those little dots on the board. How fun is that? You can make your own confetti. All right. Here we have it. Isn't that cool? I love it. It's so good. So, so good. All right, make sure you have all your polka dots out. Let's move this to the side. And this is gonna be kind of the first layer onto our card. And I'm gonna use the little foam squares because I think these just make life so good. So we're gonna raise that up just a little bit. I'm gonna use 4 in the corners of the card. I love that they're double-sided. If you've never had any of these and you're watching this video, this is also, I love to share with you little things that you have to have in your craft room, and the foam squares are one. I mean, they're just a staple. So we're gonna line it up and press it down. Look how good that is. Okay, so I wanna show you one other piece to the card, and then I'm gonna show you the finished one, because I finished one before the video, just for the sake of you all being able to watch. I really, really love the tools roll. I showed you guys that just a few seconds ago. And so I'm gonna use some of this, but I also wanna use the stamp set called Your Day, and I love it because it says, let me see, where is it? Love you, Dad. Do you see that? How precious is that? And we have the stamp set, but we also have the die set too. So I have learned from some of my card making friends that we should stamp first and then run it through your machine, which is such a great tip. So if you're new to stamping, friends, watch how simple this is. There we go. Look how cool that is. I love it already. Then we're gonna run it again through our machine, but look, this little die fits right on top of that. So you can put it right on your stamp. You know exactly what you're gonna get when you run it through your machine. So back with our handy platinum here. I think I'm gonna be cleaning polka dots up for days. Do you guys see that? But that's okay. If I have to clean anything, I wanna be cleaning polka dots, that's for sure. Where it belongs. Okay. You guys see those? And I love to hear that sound, that little crackle, crackle. That means you're playing, and that means you're doing business. You're making something pretty. Okay, look how awesome. Look how cool. All right, so if you're not into tags, or no, excuse me, if you're not into cards, you could just make a cute little tag with this for your Father's Day gift. But I wanted to show you how simple that was. Now I have one of these already finished. If you'll check this out here, we took our stamp set that I've been showing you, the tools roll, and we did. This is what they call it around here. I'm at the fancy headquarters of Fun Saver's Journey, and they call it fussy cutting, or I call it little detail cutting. You're gonna take your teeny tiny little scissors, and you're gonna stamp it, and then you're gonna cut around the edge. And I want you to see, I'm not sure if you can tell here, let's see, I'm gonna turn it. This is all raised. So for every single piece, we used our foam squares that's gonna raise all of those pieces up. See how cool that is? We wrapped a little black and white twine. If you're from Kentucky or Nashville, we say twine. We wrapped it around the corner of the card. And you guys, that little detail with our fun box makes such a great Father's Day gift. Look how cute. All right, so Let me show you the box real fast. Again, look how fun this is. We've made this earlier in the video. You could put paper shred in it. Again, this is gonna dry clear, or for today's sake, you guys are gonna wanna go to the website and you're gonna wanna check out our sweet and salty crunch mix, you guys. Look how yummy that is. So Deb in our office made this. She is incredible and she's sharing her recipe. You can go to Fun Stamper's Journey and get the recipe, download it, save it, put it in your recipe little catalog in your kitchen because it's so good. We've all been munching on it all day. It's delicious. You can also go to my website, CertifiedCelebrator.com, and I'll have the website, or I'll have the recipe there for you too. And friends, we want to see your Father's Day projects. So if you make either of these, you gotta tag us on Instagram, on Facebook, send us a message and let us see, because we always get inspiration from each other, so we want to see what you're crafting behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, friends, and we'll see you next time.